I'm recycling a box of almond tins today. I want the background or the box to look completely black, so I'm going to cover the entire design with black acrylic paint as shown. I am not sanding the box before, and in the fear of that the acrylic paint might scrap, I'm going to paint it in a textured way, dab it with the brush as shown in the video. Now let it dry and take some chalk paint. It has to be a neutral color. In this case I have taken a pale yellow, and I am going to paint a part of this box in this yellow paint. Going to give it 1 or 2 layers so that it's not too opaque yet not too transparent. I'm going to do this so that eventually when I place my sticker on top of this, it is easily visible, because if I place it directly on the black background, then the sticker or the design will not show up. Now once you have your design cut out, peel the transparent sheet, place it upside down, and then dab this white portion with water. You can also use a wet cloth or a wet sponge. In this case I've used just water and a simple brush, and keep dabbing until you can see the design underneath. In my experience, a sponge does a better job than a brush, but a brush was more handy, so I use that. Now go ahead and peel the top layer of it. It should ideally, if it's wet enough, it should ideally come out in one swift movement. However, this was not so difficult as well. Make sure that the entire design is flat and dry. Now once you've ensured that the design is in its place, we need to cover the yellow background which we've given as a base and blend it with the rest of the box. So I'm going to take some black paint and start painting the edges as per the design to merge it with the box. All the materials used in this video are linked in the description box below. Go have a look at it, and feel free to post any of your questions, comments in the video in case you want any of them to be addressed. If you feel that you want to learn something in specific or want to see more such videos, then do let me know in the comments. And also, if you like what I've done here, then don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe. Now make sure that you get all the details right so that it looks as natural as possible. Keep painting and make sure to get the edges and the leaves well. If you want, you can use a thinner round brush as well. Once you're done with this, don't forget to varnish the lid of your box so that the design and the paint stays in place. And here is your recycled tin box ready.